That's enough. Go.
We gotta find a different movement when we ride horses.
All right.
Now, we are gonna play a game called Sound Effects. This game is for Ryan and Colin, so come on down. We're also gonna need the help of 2 volunteers from our audience. And who's it gonna be? Who wants to play this game? Okay, here's a question. You guys, what's your name?
Morgan.
Morgan.
Judy.
Judy. Morgan and Judy, are you related?
This is my mom.
Oh, rock and roll. Morgan and Judy, come on down. Here we go. Morgan and Judy. Here you go. All right. Now, here's how this game is going to work. Ryan and Colin are going to perform a scene, and Morgan and Judy are going to provide the sound effects, but only when prompted. So, Morgan, you're going to provide them for Colin, and Judy, you're going to provide them for Ryan. And the scene is that Ryan and Colin are a charismatic crime-fighting duo testing their equipment before confronting a gang of international criminals. Oh, yeah. Take it away.
That is one shaved hamster.
Now he will not be detected by laser beams.
I like the way you think, man. I've been working on a weapon.
Jerry, how long have we worked together?
15 years.
15 years. I'd like to see you.
All right. It doesn't kill the people that we're up against, but it does render them useless just by this.
Oh. It shoots a small net.
Yes, and it starts to shoot as you lift it, so you have to be very careful.
Oh. Is that the phone ringing?
Ring.
Yep.
Ring.
It's the president's line. Oh. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Madam President.
Finally.
Shut up, I can't hear her. What is it, ma'am? She's dead. They've killed everyone at the White House.
No, they wouldn't have killed. They must have them captured. That international group of criminals. They threatened. Anyway, let's go.
All right. Let me set off the alarm to get the rest of our crime fighter friends. Peel the hamster again, all right.
All right. I've set up a teleporter. I'm just going to set the coordinates for the White House.
All right.
And then just step in.
Oh, I thought I was already in it.
Nope. All right.
Zoom.
Ah, we just zoomed right over.
Right.
All right, be careful. Look. Those are obviously French criminals. I can tell by the way. I can tell by the way they're talking.
Oh.
That's Panda Express. Oh, I got it. It's Henry Kissinger.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
All right.
All right, check your weapons. I unlocked mine 5 times. I'm ready to go.
Unbeknownst to the president, I put a beaming device on her. I'll see where she is.
Beep.
She's right there.
They got her surrounded with a bunch of mad dogs.
All right.
Oh, just a really off poodle.
Let's shoot our ropes into the roof there, and then we'll slide down and take them by surprise.
Did yours do anything?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. I'll come with you.
Ready?
Mine didn't do a thing.
What are you talking about?
I'm seeing people that aren't there. I'm shooting things that aren't happening.
Oh, look. That was the French guy.
It was the French guy.
Yeah.
Morgan and Judy, everybody. Morgan and Judy. Thank you. Morgan and Judy, guys.
No.
Wow.
No. No.
Well, what I love is they were quiet, but the ladies of Judy in the darker top.
Yes.
She hit me with this because I said, psst, you had to keep it close to me. She hit me with it. She hit me with that, and then was like.
She was like, mind your business.
Right. Watch how a pro does it.
The scene you guys are gonna be acting out is it's New Year's Eve in Times Square, and Colin and Ryan are two cops that hear there's a giant creature in the sewers on the other side of town. Take it away.
3, 2, 1. Boy, it's a quiet New Year, huh?
Not what I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet. No, those two people over there are having fun. Hey, I'm just going to turn on the police radio, see if there's anything happening
Right.
across town.
Put the antenna up.
All right.
Oh,
It's Snappy, the police dog. He's trying to tell us something.
what is it, Snappy? Oh my
There's a
God.
giant creature across town.
You got all that out of that?
I speak dog.
Hop in the cop ped. The cop ped. Here we go.
Oh, it's a horse.
My God. Easy, boy. It's a pony. It's not a horse.
Oh, sorry.
Horses have a deep brass
All
sound.
right. Luckily, I have a portable siren.
Don't use the British one. Use the American one. All right, that's enough. Go.
We gotta find a different movement when we ride horses.
All right.
Look, that's a 16-foot rat that we have to destroy.
A 16-foot what?
Rat!
Oh. Oh my God.
God, he just ate an angry goose.
What is happening around here?
He's gonna destroy the entire city. We're the only two who can stop him.
All right, I'm gonna set some explosives. You draw him into the circle where the explosives are.
How am
And
I
then
gonna-
get out quick.
All right.
You know how to get him in there. Act like a rat. Act like a sexy rat. Sing a rat song to him.
I love you.
Beautiful, beautiful. Here it comes, ready?
Yeah.
Plug your ears. This could be quiet.
Boom.
Oh, wow. Holy smokes.
Everybody give it up to Nick. It had a certain European flair.
Yeah.
I love you.
And the scene is that Farmer Ryan and his wife, Colin, feminine and delicate, are doing their daily chores on the farm when they hear a radio report of extreme weather approaching. Gentlemen, take it away.
Hey, hon, I was just about to milk the cow. Or the rooster. I always get the two mixed up. Never milk a rooster.
No more rooster milk for me.
No, really?
I'm selling the farm.
What?
I'm tired of doing that every day.
You couldn't tell the wife.
Oh, you.
Yes.
Well, I'm not taking you with me, so why would I
What?
tell you?
So I'm stuck here with all the animals, the cow,
Moo.
the horse, and they're both from the same mother.
It's the problem. I've been inbreeding the animals.
What?
They're all starting to sound alike, plus there's a storm heading in soon.
Oh my God, look at those. Oh, yeah, see?
Oh, blew that crow right by. Did you see that?
Well, maybe we should head to the tornado shelter.
I suppose so. Oh, here, let me unlock the door. I'll lead the horse down there
All
first.
right, all right.
All right, go ahead in.
All right, I'll just bring the cow.
No,
It's a...
leave the cow.
All right.
I can't hear that all night long.
All right.
All right, I suppose we should get some supplies first.
Oh.
We're gonna need meat. I'm gonna have to kill old Bessie.
Moo.
It's all right.
No, not Philip, old Bessie.
Philip, you're fine. Oh.
I can't kill any of these animals. Squeeze some eggs out of the chicken. That's a rooster. That's a rooster. What are you doing?
These look good.
All right, put them in there. Oh my God, tornado. It's not that bad,
No,
really.
it's not.
I anticipated it being worse. But we should get into shelter
All right.
anyway. Shut the door.
Boom.
Someone shot me.
Are you
Just
okay?
right, yeah.
Quiet. Don't make a move, bats. Vengeance. Not sure what sound that bat made.
I don't know.
Look, I'll make us some food. Let me light up a fire. Oh, that sounds pretty good, actually.
Yeah.
That sounds pretty good.
Christine and Daniel! Thanks for coming, you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, Colin. Christine and Daniel, everybody. Nicely done. And honorable mention to Colin for squeezing eggs out of a rooster.
Not as easy as it sounds.
It doesn't sound easy.
It's all in the wrist.
We're gonna need the help of a special guest, so please welcome superstar beatboxer, the fantastic Kayla Mulady! All right, so now, the way this works is Jonathan and Wayne are gonna perform a scene. Kayla's gonna provide a series of sounds to correspond with their actions in that scene. So whenever you guys are ready, Wayne, over to you.
Okay, where's a place that you wouldn't break into normally? Where? Your own house. My own house. And an aquarium. Pick it.
Aquarium.
Aquarium. Okay, so we're gonna be master thieves breaking into the aquarium.
Target acquired.
Let's go after the dolphin. Oh, you can talk. Good.
I'll cut a hole through the ceiling. Got it. All right, I'm going in.
Okay. Did you eat Mexican food?
Last time I eat Mexican food when we're breaking into an aquarium.
Okay.
Get over here! Round one, fight! Hit him with the left! Oh, my ear! Knockout! We have a champion!
He's too much. He's too much. We should get out of here.
I'm not leaving without that dolphin.
All right.
Dolphin.
Yeah.
Unplug the blowhole.
Hello, we're calling you about your car's extended warranty.
Quick, get to the car.
Okay.
Here, let me open the back.
Oh no! All the water's rushing out. I started making my own sound effects.
Just throw him in.
Ow!
Get in, drive.
Oh yeah, baby. Hello, we're calling you about your car's extended warranty.
Yeah.
The dolphin was very expressive.
The dolphin was violent.
Yes. Dolphin didn't want to go. Dolphin had plans tonight. You ruined their evening.
He was a fish with a porpoise. Good night, everyone.
And this scene is going to be that Ryan and Colin are two hunters in a haunted forest who suddenly get attacked by vampires and werewolves.
First time in the haunted forest?
Yeah, I brought my scary gun.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Wasn't sure what we'd come across here.
I better make sure mine's loaded.
All right.
Well, the air freshener's in there, so that's all right.
Yeah. I brought a shotgun.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, all ready to go. Oh. I think it might have just fired.
Okay, you know what?
I'm not sure, though.
We're a little nervous. I'm going to see if I can hit that tree over there.
All right. You all right?
I'm allergic to something
Maybe you
in the
shouldn't be
haunted
hunting.
forest.
Why don't you take the day off? Are you all right?
No, we're here to catch some haunted thing.
All right, hey, how about we have a couple brewskis before we start?
All right.
Oh, it sounded like your gun. Cheers. Cheers.
I just open up my throat and down it goes.
Yeah. You know what? Not only is this place spooky, it's quiet.
Because it's haunted.
Oh.
All the sounds would be scared and run away.
Oh my God.
Vampire. Gliding silently through the night.
I think we better maybe try to get some help here. I'll bring out my old horn. It's a kitten in there.
Wait, the vampire's coming. I'll make a cross with these two branches. That's not gonna help.
Damn.
Just break off this branch. Break off this one. Boy, the sneezing is really getting bad.
Those would have been great sounds for our beers.
Yeah. Look, the vampire's turning away.
He sure did. Wow. This is an exciting forest. What say we camp for a little while along this babbling brook?
I think if we get...
Beside this babbling brook.
Well,
Everything sounds like your gun.
Hey! What are you upset with me for?
You heard me. I'm sorry I'm upset. Thank you.
Nicole and Regina, everybody. Thank you. Nicole and Regina, guys. You all right?
I can't even hear you. That was like being at a rock concert.
See,
That was the sound of the beer, the gun, the babbling brook, and the werewolf.
It's a haunted forest. They're not
know,
trying to
exactly.
warn you
Scary.
before they kill you.
It was terrifying.
Ryan and Colin are going to perform a scene, and Jenica and Janice will provide the sound effects, but only when prompted. And the scene is that Ryan and Colin are two paranormal investigators leading a team to explore a demonically possessed house where they stumble on a portal to hell. Enjoy.
I'm not going in there, Jack.
What, you think it's gonna be a portal to hell?
I don't know. There wasn't the last house, and I'm not taking a chance
Listen,
on this one.
what is our job? Paranormal.
To find ghosts.
All right, and so, listen. That sounds to me like the beginning of a ghost.
Well, my ghost alarm is going off. They're very flamboyant, these
They
ghosts.
are. I don't know where the rest of the team is. I'm gonna call Charlie. We're supposed to be here 5 minutes ago.
Keeping him.
I've got it on silent.
Hello, hello.
Oh, hi. Where are you? We're at the house.
We thought you'd be here by now.
Are you at the same place I'm at?
I think so.
Can you see me?
Yes,
Charlie, are you in the portal of hell?
perhaps.
We'll be there in a second.
I can't light this damn cigarette. There we go.
All right, let's go in.
That door didn't creak at all.
Not at all.
You'd expect it to.
No.
Watch the floorboards. They might be creaky. Oh, that's a lot more than just creaky.
You stepped on a parrot.
Oh, I did. It's dead now.
Oh my God, look. Tell me that is not a portal to hell.
Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa, indeed.
That's more like a portal to Pomona. That's not that bad. That's not what I expected for hell.
Charlie, can you hear me? Oh my God, he's turned into a rooster.
Oh, now that's scary. Oh, luckily, I brought my plasma electronic laser gun.
That's a paint gun.
All right,
I think if we close the portal, then everything will be back to normal.
that's easier said than done.
Is it? Because I have the holy grenade.
This sounds like this could be loud.
There's a 50-50 chance.
I can't. Let me put on some headphones and listen to some Lady
You
Gaga.
know what? I think you're gonna be okay. Oh, look!
The parrot recorded an album.
I'm gonna use a grenade.
Boom!
Then look, it's the portal. Oh no, are you possessed?
I don't know yet. Yes!
Do you have control of your body?
Don't turn around.
What?
We're gonna get you.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Jerry. I had something stuck in my throat there for me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Jenica and Janice, everybody, thank you. Jenica and Janice, thank you. Give it up for Jenica and Janice, you guys. All right. That was very exciting.
I truly don't know what's going on.
It's all right.